Hi guys, in this video we will be developing a mind reader application in Java. In this application we will guess the number that the user is thinking of and their age. So let's see how this will work. So it's just a simple algebra trick. Let's represent n as the number they thought of and a as the age. So we try to make an algebraic representation of what we tell them to do. So first we tell them to think of a number, so our resulting equation is n, and then we'll tell them multiply it by 10, so our resulting equation is 10n. Remember, when they think of a number, they don't tell us, they just think of it. So moving on, add 50 to the result, so our equation is now 10n plus 50. And then we tell them divide it by 2, so it becomes 5n plus 25. And then multiply it by 100, that becomes 500n plus 2000. We ask them to divide the result by 5, so that becomes 100n plus 500. And then we tell them to add your age to the result, so that becomes 100n plus 500 plus a, which was the age. And then we say add 25 to the result, just to put some salt. So they add 25, and then it becomes 100n plus a plus 525. We have to guess n and a. Usually in algebra, if you need to guess two variables, you need two equations, but we only have one equation. But here's the trick. So once we have this number, we're gonna take off the 525, so that leaves us with 100n and a. Now if we make a limitation that n is gonna be in between 1 and 99, the first two digits of the number are gonna be n, and the remaining part will be the a. So for example, if your n was 25 and your a was 50, 100n and a would be 25, 50. So the first two digits are n and the last two digits are a. So if you take the mod of the result with 100, you'll get a, and if you divide the result by 100, you'll get n. So let me demonstrate this for further understanding in code. It's tell them to think of a number, multiply it by 10, and all those steps we saw earlier. And then we ask them to input the final result, and then we calculate and show the result. So as we remember, our equation was 100n plus a plus 525. So this is the input. So we first took off the 525, so that leaves us with 100 and an a. And then 5 and a is 50. 100n plus a would be 2550. So to extract this part, the a, we do x modulo 100, and to extract this part, we do x over 100. So this way we can print the number the user guessed and their age. So let's try it with a simple example. So let's say we're thinking of the number 30. Let's enter, and then it says multiply it by 10, so we have 300. And then it says add 50 to the result, so we now have 350. And then it says divide the result by 2, so it now becomes 175. And then multiply the result by 100, so we just add two zeros. And then divide the result by 5 and press any key to continue. So if we divide it by 10, that's 1750 times 2, that's 35. So this would be the answer. And then add your age to the result and press any key to continue. So let's say I'm 85 years old, so you're gonna go 85. And then it says add 25 to the result, so this becomes 3610. and then it says input the result. So we go like 3610, and then it says, whoa, the number you guessed is 30 and your age is 85. Change it around by, you know, assigning random numbers here and tweaking your equation accordingly, so it doesn't always ask for the same numbers. So you can play around with the similar program, but I hope you got the idea. So subscribe if you like this video, and you can leave in the comments if you want to see any other kinds of videos. Recently I made a design patterns applications video, and you can find that on my